Now I decided to do baseball, youth baseball players, increased chance for injuries, because as a youth, I played baseball. Here's me as a young baseball player. And if you click right here, Payless Youth Baseball, there's actually me right there. So I had injuries too as a youth. Spent a lot of time in the nurse's office here at Marist. Okay, so basically what we need to do is, youth baseball players, we need to prevent long-term injury. And by doing that, the studies indicate the best way to do that is reduction of pitches per game to less than 75 pitches per game, and also per season. Some studies have 600 pitches or less, some studies are even more, but basically keep season totals and decrease the cumulative amount of pitches per game and per season to prevent long-term injury for our youth, because we don't want them to throw their arms out, because someday right now they're in the little leagues, someday they might want to make it to the big leagues. Quiz time. And what makes the quiz great is everyone gets 100%. So just participate. So question number 1, you got 5 seconds to answer, okay? Anyone in the room, the right side or the left side? Let's see, the most frequent location for overuse injury who play baseball is it the elbow? Is it the shoulder? Is it the wrist? Or is it the foot? The most frequent location for overuse injury in children who play baseball. Okay. Timer? Okay. And yes, the answer is the elbow. Here we go. Question number 2. A factor which increases risk for surgery due to injury is, so a factor that increases the risk for surgery due to injury is A, is it age? B, the number of pitches thrown? Is it C, your diet? Or is it the team that you play on? Got 5 seconds. Right side, left side, anyone? And the answer is number of pitches thrown, as my study shows. A recommendation to prevent long-term injury for youth baseball pitchers is it A, eat chocolate ice cream? Is it B, after the game, go for hot dogs? C, limit of 600 pitches or less per season? Or is it D, go to a Cubs game? You got 5 seconds. Anyone? 4, 3, 2. The answer is limit the number of pitches per season to 600 pitches or less is the recommendation to prevent long-term injury in youth baseball players. Okay, and pitchers. Question number 4. According to the APA, a paper's margin should be, is it 2 inches? Is it 1 inch, 1.5 inch, or ½ inch? 5 seconds, easy answer. The answer is B, 1 inch, 1 inch. Okay, quiz question number 4. The rotator cuff, a commonly injured muscle in pitchers. What muscles consist of the rotator cuff? Is it A, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis? Is it B, deltoid, trapezius, pectoralis major? Is it C, the gluteus maximus, biceps femoris, sartorius? Or is it D, your femur, fibula, or your tibia? Answer is 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone in the class? The answer is A, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. Okay? And I have an extra credit question. True or false? All athletes are overpaid. It's your opinion? So, thank you very much for taking this quiz and watching my video. We want to prevent injuries for our youth. We don't want our youth to pitch more than they have to youth baseball pitchers. We want them to prevent long-term injury.